Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit these quick shortcuts, these quick settings on LG 43QNED80. When you click on the settings button on your remote, you enter these quick settings, and when you press and hold on this button, you enter full settings. When you are in the quick settings by clicking on shortly on the settings button, you can click on edit mode, and then you can move some different options here. So to move an option, click on it, then you can just use your cursor to move it higher or lower. You can also click on X to delete the option. I'm gonna leave it, and that's basically how you change it. You can also click on plus and add another setting in here. So for example, let's add the pointer size, and now I'm gonna move it. So I'm gonna click on that and move it here, and then I can click here to exit edit mode, and you can see now that I can adjust this setting just like that, and I'll be able all the time. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.